Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Layers of retina. So these are the layers of retina. Actually, we will see the normal picture first before histology. So these are the layers of retina. So retina contains 10 layers, that is pigment epithelium. We have retinal pigment epithelium, photoreceptor layer, outer limiting membrane is present or external limiting membrane is present. This is outer nuclear layer which contain the nuclei of rods and cones. Then we have outer plexiform layer which comprises of synapses between the rods and the cells. Then we have inner nuclear layer. It contains the nuclei of bipolar cells, Muller cells nucleus, and even amacrine cells nucleus are seen. So bipolar cells, Muller cells, amacrine cells, and horizontal cells nucleus are seen in inner nuclear layer. Then we have inner plexiform layer which again contains synapses. Then we have ganglion cell layer which contains ganglion cells, and finally nerve fiber layer which contains axons, and we have inner limiting membrane. So these are the 10 layers. So if we see the labeling here, so here pigmentation is present. So this is retinal pigment epithelium. So this is retinal pigment epithelium. Then these are the photoreceptors, that is rods and cones. Okay, then we have external limiting membrane. This is outer nuclear layer, this is outer plexiform layer, this is inner nuclear layer, this is inner plexiform layer, this is nerve fiber, sorry, after inner plexiform layer these are ganglion cell layer, this is ganglion cell layer, and then we have nerve fiber layer, finally internal limiting membrane. So this is the layers of retina.
thank you and thank you for watching.